What's up, y'all? Whole chicken collab with Rue's Kitchen. We both finna throw down, y'all. Make sure you check out my girl Rue. But anyway, let's get it. So first thing first, we gonna go ahead and salt this skin. Now we gonna salt this skin really well. We gonna let this sit after we salt it for about 30 minutes. You can let it sit longer. Hey, that's even better. Now see what this salt gonna do? It's gonna crisp up that skin. It's gonna make sure that skin is real crispy. And hey guys, don't forget to check out my girl Rue's now. Please go over there and like, share, and subscribe with her. Please give her that LSS y'all. But anyway, let's set this to the side and we're gonna let this sit here and marinate for 30 minutes. After letting that salt do its job, we gonna go ahead and separate the skin from the meat. And hey y'all, Rue's Kitchen link will be in the description below y'all. So make sure you check her out. But after we separate that skin, we gonna go ahead and put some butter in here. Now, we gonna put that butter right in between the skin and the meat. Oh my God, it's gonna make it tasty, y'all. It's gonna make it tasty. Then we gonna go ahead and rain on it with a little tahini. Some cayenne. That cayenne, y'all know I like my cayenne. And then we gonna hit it with some onion powder and some garlic powder, y'all. And after we get done with that, we gonna hit it with a little bit of rosemary. We gonna go ahead and rub that seasoning in real good. Now we gonna go ahead and get them on our roasting rack. Now we're using this roasting rack so when we add our liquids, it don't affect the chicken skin getting crispy. And then we gonna go ahead and add some cauliflower and some potatoes, y'all. Now I'm using 3 different types of potatoes. I'm using russet, red, and gold. Now you can use whatever potatoes you choose, y'all. And then we gonna get this into a 350 degree oven, y'all. Now about halfway through, we gonna give it a check. And then we gonna go ahead and spray it down with a little olive oil, y'all. Now once we get it sprayed down, we gonna get it back in the oven and we gonna raise the temperature of our oven to 425. And this is our finished product, y'all. Check it out, check it out. Oh yeah. Don't that look tasty? I know it look tasty. I know it look tasty. Then we gonna go ahead and get our chicken up out that roasting pan. And we gonna let this cool, y'all. Now look at them vegetables. Don't they look good? Oh my goodness. Got all that good chicken fat on it. Now me, I like to carve my breast off first. Then after I get that breast almost carved out, I hit that thigh and then come in from the bottom and take that whole piece of breast meat off. Then I get my wing, my leg, and hey, we about ready to eat, y'all. We about ready to eat. So here go our cauliflower and potatoes. Oh my goodness, roasted perfection. Y'all, roasted perfection. And there go our chicken, y'all. That's that good chicken breast right there. Hey, you know the chicken good if that breast good. If that breast good, you know the chicken good. And then we gonna go and rain on them right there at the end with a little bit of basil, y'all. And let's give him a taste, see what he about. Oh my goodness, look at that chicken, y'all. Look at that breast. See, that's what I'm talking about. That breast good, you know everything good. give me one of these taters. Oh yeah, y'all. Oh yeah. But anyway, you know what time it is. Love, peace, and keep it grilling, y'all. See ya.